this. Now this one is nasi dagang. Ni nasi dagang Ni daging. Awesome.
Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih.
Hi geng awesome. We are at Glang Patah. Down here there's Nusa Cycle Cafe. I think it's for cycling enthusiasts. Ini kita dekat Glang Patah, ada Nusa Cycle Cafe mungkin yang orang yang minat basikal, entah ada kedai basikal ke apa, tak tahulah So we going to check it out. Sini sarapan pagi banyak, breakfast.
They have nasi goreng, mi goreng, lauk-lauk, all the dishes, and nasi lemak and nasi dagang, chicken, ayam semua ada, nasi dagang.
We ordered sarang burung. Ni dia tengah buat Baru buka abang? Dah 8. Tak, ini pukul 8. Baru buka je.
Lambat.
Okey.
Hari Ahad biasa lewat. Orang tua.
They just open at 8. This one is the sarang burung or bird nest.
Dari mana?
Singapore. Ini tempat ni memang untuk minat basikal ke?
Dia kat sini asal dulu kedai basikal kat atas. Asal dulu, tapi owner dah stop jual basikal, jadi nama kedai ni ikut nama kedai basikal yang kat atas tu lah.
Jadi patut dah panggil ni untuk cyclingnya. So this one was this shop last time they sell bicycle or accessories. So they name it there, and now it becomes this restaurant.
Asha ordered nasi lemak. Yang ini dah siap bungkus It's already inside with the banana leaf. Simple nasi lemak Tu dia. Wow, banjir ini nasi dagang dia dengan nasi ni ada macam santan sekali, ada rasa masing-masing. Yang ini pula ikan, yang akan daging tadi ikan. So this is fish, just fish with this rice. The rice is with coconut milk, and they have this fish. These two alone it complements each other. Ini dua je dah cukup, tak ada lauk lain lagi. Jadi inilah dia nasi dagang This is called nasi dagang. Something different which we don't really find in Singapore Kat Singapore mana ada jarang ada. Sekarang aku nak rasa ni pula. Tui lembut nampak tu, tarik berderai This is very very soft, crispy on the outside. Bismillah. Kari dia pun best. Curry is nice with sambal. Okay. And the egg just nice. It's half cooked. I want to try the rendang. Rasa rendang Rendang dia power Dimakan dengan rendang sekali. Together the rendang. The rendang meat is so tender. Ini dia pakai daging tetel jadi lembut. Alhamdulillah, dah kenyang So sini tempat yang memang aku recommend dia nasi dagang. Ada lagi lauk-lauk lah korang boleh pilih. Dia punya prata roti canai sarang burung ni memang awesome jadi dia punya rendang semua sedap. So what I like to recommend is this roti canai sarang burung or roti prata sarang burung. The other thing is nasi dagang. I think the nasi lemak is also nice. You can also pick your dishes here. So they have mee goreng and all that. So you just choose, take, and then after that you pay. Right? So let me know in the comments below what do you think. This is quite near to to Singapore, right? From Tuas. Okay, so here at Glang Patah. Right, see you in the next episode. Awesome!
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.